Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. We've got a 2014 300 SLX for sale. MarineMax Lake Norman. Boat is in pristine shape. Has a very large swim deck on the back, through-hole exhaust. So you can see the exterior is in the blue. Very attractive. Hardly a mark on this boat. Large rear swim pad on the back. Sink. This has got the Axius control, dual engine, Mercury's, Ray Marine electronics, fusion stereo, stainless steel windshield. That's a nice tower. All the canvas is in great shape. As you can see, the vinyl is in great shape. There's a large head area. Ample seating in the bow. Windlass anchor. Come by and see us at MarineMax Lake Norman. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.